Here's my brother unloading the four-wheeler from my pickup. Tommy gate makes this job a lot easier. Although it helps to know what you're doing. Looks like he figured it out. These Honda 250s are one of the best value for ability four-wheelers there is. Plenty of power, lightweight, and not too expensive. He's going to climb up and pull the plug on this sprinkler so we can flush it. If his pants aren't too tight. Wasp nest in here. Looks like they're all dead though. There it goes. You see that crud fall out? Now we'll go put our filter back in and send some water down this way.